you can't hide your wife, baby. It's going down. You're really in trouble. You're really in trouble. Hey, we good? Or?
What you say? The top?
Now. All right, here we go. Mark. Yes, win right now. Win this one, win this two. Right now.
Right man, right spot. Let's go, baby.
Read it, read it.
They have to use as a sophomore? Yeah.
Go, babe.
What? Not today.
Top.
You got it, kid. That's some fun up there.
Watch the play. Here we go, kid.
Come on, Cash. Let's spoil that.
Stay on it.
Come on, here we go, kid. Way to start it off, kid! Alright, 1-4. Keep it going.
Let's go, Aiden.
Go, baby.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Hey, wait for you, pitch, kid. Come on, here we go.
Let's go, kid. 1-4. Stay hot, Aiden. Stay hot, baby.
Go, Aiden.
Back, Vic.
Come on, get out. On top. Yes! Yes! Come on, Aiden!
Go, baby.
Good job, kid.
Keep it rolling. Up, ball, man.
Let's go. Follow me right here, baby.
I can appreciate that.
Go, JB.
Yeah. Come on, 4-0. Get out, get out.
Go,
All right, you ready, kid? Here we go. You saw it. You saw it. Here we go.
You heard that ball, Jake. Let's go.
Let's go, kid.
Good eye, boy. Minus go top. Get off, get off.
Come down, ball.
That boy, get out.
It's good. You're on it, kid. Let's go.
Go 40. Battle, kid, battle. Get off, get off.
Nothing close, huh?
Hey, here we go, kid.
Oh, let's go. Fight, fight.
Win it right here.
That boy, make it work. Come on, Papa, here we go, kid. Hey, keep your head in there, all right? Here we go. Keep your head in there. My top! Get off, nobody, get off, nobody, get off! That boy, get out! Hey, be aggressive, kid, be aggressive, here we go!
Let's go, 4-7.
Get out, nobody, get off!
Let's go, big 4-7. Let's go, kid.
Oh. Hey, read it, kid, read it! Nobody, get out, nobody, get out!
Take a spot, kid.
Hey, gotta be, kid, it gotta be, here we go!
Here we go, kid. You got this stuff yet?
Get off, get off, get off! Get off, nobody, get off, nobody! Get off! Yes!
Bring it out, bring it out.
Battle now, mijo, battle.
Hey, nobody get off, nobody get off! Nobody, nobody! Ah, boy! Go 4-7.
Hey, you got this, kid. Here we go.
Get out, get out. Go. Yeah. Come on, 2-9.
Baseball.
Hey, east to west. East to west. Let's go.
Hey, read it, 2-9. Read it. Go.
Hey, here we go, Peach.
Taco, what's the pitch? Go back.
Work hard. Got a baby. Hey, take your time. Pitch. Good, here we go.
Let's get it, Nate. Let's go, kid.
Yeah, go, buddy.
Go, pitch, go.
Got a baby. Here we go.
Okay, you got it.
Okay, battle.
That's the fun of the kid.
Bring home. More to go.
Come on, 2-9. Here we go, kid.
Okay.
Get out. Here we go.
Bring him home, kid. Time to shine right now. No, you're pitch right here.
Get off 1-4. Get off 1-4. No pressure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here we go, 2-3. Here we go, 2-3. Here we go. Come on, Joe. Here we go. Get out, boy. Here we go.
That's yours.
Hey, go back, man. Going to stop you.
Hey, turn on that one. Here we go. Come on, Joe. Here you go, kid. Bring him in. Here we go. There you go. Yeah. Hey.
All right, fellas.
All right.
Come on, White man. Here we go, kid. Bring him in.
Straighten her out, Ryder. Relax. Rush yourself. Run out. Yes, there, Riffy. What?
Come on, win. Go to you. Bring it up.
on, Ryder, let's go, kid. Bring him in. Here we go. I got them both.
Three more, young man. Three more.
Anybody know the pitcher's name? That's not.
Baby, say hi. Let's go.
Hey, take your time, kid. Take your time. Here we go. Take your time.
Let's go, top there.
Hey, we do down there. Let's go. By the way.
Let's go, kid. Come on, kid.
I'm away.
Turn two, boy. Turn two. Here we go.
Double play. Double play.
You got a one.
Come on, 1-1. Here we go, kid. Hey, follow through, kid. Follow through all the way down. Here we go.
Hey, be smart. You way ahead.
Right down the middle, right here.
Good job, Max. The base runner.
Let him hit it. We want him to hit it. Yeah.
hot 2-3, let's go.
Name? That's good.
Play 3.
Sebastian Segura. I give him the number. He asked me for the name.
Come on, Abel.
It doesn't have numbers.
I go, why do we give him numbers then? All right, let's go, guys. Let's get warmed up. Hey, I'm cool. Come on, inside my man. Got her up. Everybody in the dugout.
Hey, we got nobody out. Nobody out. Got to go hard on the ground. Put it on the line. There you go, JP.
Everybody out. Let's go. To each other.
Let's go, boys. Turn 2. Here you go. Go top.
Let's go, JP. Here you go, JP.
Go, boys.
Hey, we got one down. One down. Okay.
Turn 2, boys.
I'll see back.
Here we go, Cash.
Oh, roll me up right here. No, baby, up now.
Here we go, Cash. Come on, baby. Here we go. Get yourself, kid.
Hey, tie it up here.
Here you go, Cash.
Go tie it up.
You guys on the same page. Go, kid, hold him. Hey, corner.
Got one down. One down. Come on, let's go.
There you go.
Hey, Cash. Dual swing right here. Right here, field approach.
Let's work, kid. Let's
Go
go.
tie it up. Let's go. Hey, ties it.
Hey, kid, for me.
Yeah, boys.
Dual swing right there, boy.
I mean, you were already halfway there. I wouldn't
Hey,
have stopped you.
I'll change that approach. Drive these runs in. Change that approach.
I'm not cash. I'm not baby. Get some ball, baby. Get some ball. Take the ball down. Take the ball.
Además, you need a score.
Trust your team. Trust your team.
Like the 3-1 swing. The 3-1 swing. Real time.
Come on, 2, 3. You got this, kid. Here we go.
Además.
Spread out. Let that run. Ball in place.
Go, kid.
Check it. Like, foul it off if you don't like it. Foul it off if you don't like it.
That's all right, boys. Back to 0. Ball game.
It's all right, 2-3. Here we go, kid.
Here we go.
Yep, right for second. Courtesy on first. Come out. Go.
Hey, let's get it, touchdown.
Hey, guys, go. Hey, rest him in the zone. Stay on top. Rest him in the zone. Stay on top.
There you go.
Keep going.
There you go. There's 2 more. Let's go. Bring him in. 2 more.
Hey, help yourself here. Help yourself here. Hey, you got it down.
It's the game, kid. Let's go. 6-0. Got 2 more runs right there.
Let's go. Have some fun here.
Drop, drop. Let's go. Come on, kids. Let's go.
Let's go, babe.
Oh, leave it up there.
Hey, here we go, kid.
Come now, Jay. Come now, baby.
There you go. New game, new game.
Hey, Hibbert, share information. Let them know what you saw. Two more, batter, 2 more. Boom.
Abel, I know you told me please.
This is boring.
No, you didn't.
Let's go, kid.
Stop.
Go, Bob. Fire up, kid. There it is.
Come on, Roy, you got this kid. Here we go.
Leave it. Straight it out, kid. Come on. One ball, one strike, one.
Battle, kid. You got two. Here we go. Battle.
Let's go. Let's there, let her rip.
Come on, my Ron. Here we go, kid. Battle.
Hey, you got this, kid. Take it
Now,
deep breath.
go right there, let her rip.
Here
There, let her rip.
Okay, go after him. Let's go.
Come on, kid.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, I'm talking about win battle, kid. There, Ricky. There now.
They make contact, my boy.
Way to hit the ball, kid. Way to hit the ball. Good job, Tom. Hit the ball, kid.
Play out there. Great catch.
Four.
Okay.
Stop. Come on, 3-4.
Hey! That back door, you see that? Come again. It's there, let her rip. Let's go 3-4. Go, here you go. You don't get your pitch right now. Here you go. A little better, dude.
Here we go, kid.
Right spot, kid. Go.
Hey, one pitch at a time, kid. You got this.
Come on, 3-4. Here we go, kid.
Okay, come back. Let's go.
Let's go 34. Come on. Gotta swing that back, kid. Swing that back, kid. Come on, swing that back, kid.
Come on, 3-4. Here we go, kid.
Go back. Bring him home, kid. Yeah, that's right, Max.
Nice, nice.
Straight it out.
out, get out, here we go.
Hey, you way ahead, way ahead.
Got him, kid, got him. It's there, Rick.
Get out, get out.
Go, Rick. Come on, Gab, come on. You need this. Come. Good. Get out.
Hey, here we go, Rick.
Come on.
There you go, good pitch.
Here you go, kid. Come on, kid. Here we go. Bring him in.
Hey, keep working up their pitch. Here we go.
Get out, nobody. Get out, nobody.
Hey, baby.
Hey, kid, good. It's like last time, kid. Come on.
Keep working, kid.
There's something cool up there, kid.
Let's go, baby.
Have fun, kid.
Get out, get out.
There you go. Hey, way to work.
Hey, base it up middle last time.
Go, baby, you got this.
Hey, base it up middle. Got two. Yeah.
We're trying to break the rhythm. Stay loose.
Go, baby, you got this.
Well, you count.
Count.
You count.
Do better?
Come on, 1-4. Here we go, kid. Here we go.
Let's get it, lady.
Nobody, get out. Nobody. Nobody. Get out, get out.
Good.
Now, boy. Be aggressive, kid. Be aggressive. Get out. Get out. Nobody.
You stop.
Come on, 1-4. Here we go, kid.
Hey, here we go, Rick.
Get out, get out, get out.
Here we go.
Good, good. Wait, come back.
Hey, you're on it.
Thanks, you're already here. Let's go 1-4.
Nobody, nobody.
Good pitch.
All right, 1-4. Here we go. Battle, kid. Here we go. Battle.
Be smart, you're way hit.
Get out, get out. Out. Nobody. Nobody.
Beautiful pitch.
Great job, guys. Let's hit the ball.
Okay, let's go win the inning.
Keep working. Keep working.
Keep your head up. Go. Right here. Work. Hey, let's work, top 10.
Back through. Go 6.
Come on, baby. Let's go, Zach. Husky back. Here we go, Zach.
Elbow to 3. Elbow to 3. Here we go.
Keep working at that.
Come on, Zach. Here you go.
One more to 3. One more. Here we go.
Win here. 1-4. Winning. Don't give in. Rest of the day.
start it.
Keep working up there.
I got nobody out. Put it on the line.
Boy, we're keeping it in front of you.
Let's go defense. Boy. Let's go 2-6. Recognize that. I need two, y'all. I need two.
Come on, dude, let's go. Come on, dude, here we go. Next time, half, here we go.
Come on!
Go, way to be. 2 runs and slipping. Let's go.
Deep breath. That one. Good pitch. Good pitch.
Spot, baby. Spot.
Hey, great spot. One.
Let's go back. Good work. Good challenge.
Lay off of that. Smart.
How many? 2. Bottom half. Bottom half. Go. Quick ball right here. Down. Come on, baby, some more. Let's go. Don't give in. Hey, quick ball right here. Keep working. Let's go, kid. Here we go.
Hey, battle here. Strike the rope. Hey, on the swing, on the swing. Got two down. Go, kid. Win. Don't give in. I'm bad. Go ahead, root the barrel. Let's go. I'm dead.
That's what I'm saying. 2 innings into it, like 4 minutes.
Work.
Be on the same page.
Hang on, Jake.
Hey, here we go. You got this.
Come on, boy. Here we go, kid.
Baby.
Come on, boy. Here you go, kid.
One pitch at a time, kid. Here we go.
Read it. All right, boys. kid. Here we go. Gotta be. Here we go.
Good play.
Anything close here?
Battle now. Here we go. Battle, 40, battle. Here we go. Okay.
Somebody call Sacramento. Where is that? Come, Bobby! Hey, boy, Bob! Win, keep battling, son. Here. Anything close here?
Come on, 40, battle, kid. Here we go. Yeah, boy.
Hey, find the cat! Keep your head behind the bell! Find the cat!
Hey, now, 4-7. Hey, have fun, you know, have some fun. Get off, get off, get off.
Let's go!
Get off. One more. One more. Come on, 2-9. Hey, nobody.
They're not going to give it to us. Come on.
Right there.
Have a score! On contact!
Get out, nobody. Get out, nobody.
Rotate! Hey, you don't gotta stand. Trust it. All right, let's go. Come on, Nate. Trust your hands. Stay in that spot right there.
Get out, nobody. Nobody, no seconds, nobody. Hi, boy.
Hey, we're head to girl.
Battle, kid, battle.
Hey, big back stop. Yeah, we're tagging. Time here. Gee.
Get out, get out.
Come on.
You got 2 more to work with. Let's go.
Bring that back.
There you go. Good spot. Hey, way to hit your spot.
No way. Come on, 2-3. Bring it back, kid. Here we go. Bring it in. Here we go.
Barrel it.
Hey, nobody. Nobody. You're all right, you're all right.
There you go.
Right, you see it now. You see it. Come on. Come on. Focus. That's the order to go home. The order to go home. Go. Come.
There you go. Hey, way to get hit it. Let's go.
Let's go. Aggressive, boy. Let's go. Come on.
Here's it.
Fight it off. Base hit.
Stop that.
Take your time.
Here we go.
Hey, you still way ahead.
Here we go, bitch. You got this, kid.
Get out, nobody, get out, nobody.
Beautiful.
Get out, boy.
Base, let's go.
Hey, you're all right here, bitch. Here we go. You got this, kid. One pitch at a time, kid. Here we go.
Nobody.
Hey, good idea.
Hey, relax, kid. You got this.
Hey, go after him now.
You know we're better, kid. Here we go.
Right spot. Let's go, baby. Let's go, 2-3.
Get out, get out.
Let's go, boys.
Last batted out. After you got subs, you got your subs.
First up you go. First up you go. Somebody go get it. Go. Alright, we got one. Oh, hey, don't let him do that. Hey, don't let him do that, bro.
Got one out.
Got one down.
Hey, here we go. Here we go.
Come on, Joe. Get out, put pressure, get out, let's go. Now go. Get out.
Come on, 2-0. Stay out, bud. Let's go.
Hey, go after him. Let's go.
Hey, here we go, kids. Here we go. Got it, kid.
Get out, go, get out, go. Get out, boy, get out.
There you go. Go after him.
Let's get it, kid.
There you go. Go compete, let's go. Atta boy. Hey, way to come back like that.
All right, let's be a man, kid.
Go. Get ahead, work ahead, let's go.
Hey, one more. Here we go. Trust your feet, kid.
Come on, Ryder. It's all noise.
All right, gotta get ahead.
See it, Ryder.
Well, read it. Get out.
Come.
Good idea, kid.
Trust your feet, kid. Here we go.
Water, go home, Ryder. Come on, Ryder. Let's go.
It's in play. You got room, you got room.
Go, right.
Good job, Cap.
Hey, run the huddle, Cash. Run the
Good
huddle,
work,
Cash.
Cap. Good work, Cap.
Good work. Good work. Run the huddle.
That's how good that pop was, Ryder.
Here we go.
You way ahead, 6-0.
Now battle now, kid. You got two. You go, battle.
Here we go.
Here, Ryder.
Rush your defense, kid. Here
Have
we
fun
go.
up there, kid.
Go, Gary.
Here's you too, Ryder.
Water go home, right here. Sit right here. Win a battle, Ryder. Win a battle, kid.
Bro, I don't know if this is
Hey, here we go. Keep working out there, kids. Here we go.
Win it right here. Let's go, Ryder. Let's go, Ryder. Lock in, kid. Lock in.
Here we go.
Get out, get out, get out. Let's go.
Let it rip.
Let's go. Way ahead, kid. Way ahead. Be smart.
Go, go, get out.
Go, Ryder, full count, kid. If you said let it rip.
Come on, right now.
There you go. Compete. Let's go.
Water go home. Here it comes.
Let's pick right here.
Go, go, go.
Hankins.
Hey, great job out there, kid. Way to work,
Number
kid.
62, Hankins.
Way to work, kid.
Just on the ball? Yeah. Well.
No, let's go. Come on.
Hey, two back.
Sorry about that.
It's all good, bud. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Hey, come on, guys. Oh, hey. Wait.
Two more, about it. Two more. Runners, to your spot. You got one throw. Runners, to your spot.
Watch, go.
Right here, 5-1.
batter. Now you got.
Go back to the first. Ready? You got game. Go. Here we go.
Let's go, kid. Come on, kid.
Hey, read that on, kid. Read that on. Coming down. Here we go. Come on, son.
Go, kid.
Get out, get out, get out.
Let's go, fight one.
Read it, kid. Read it. Here we go.
It's all right. Come on, let's get it. Come on, kid. Let's go. We're going right now. Got a battle now. Got a battle.
Battle, kid. Battle. Get out, get out.
Go after him. Here we go.
Hold him. Let's go.
One across there. 3-2. Bottom of.
Really bottom third.
That's all good. They earned it. Huh? They earned it. I'll take this any day of the week over some of the other stuff we did. Right. Correct.
Two more.
Let's go, defense!
Let's go, be a leader. Let's go.
Come on, 2-3. You got it. There it is.
Hey, we need you on base tonight.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Watch you up, baby. Up big. Love it, baby. Love it.
Oh, ya te toca una, güey, vamos. Oh, wait.
Ain't got nobody. That's the fun roll. Oh, baby, oh! Good! Oh, baby, oh! That's the fun right here. Ain't nobody seen, nobody.
¿Te gusta? Dale, vamos, güey.
Vamos, baby, let's go. There you go. Hey, get to it. Get to it. Y'all showing up. Let's go.
Hey, keep your head in there.
Back there.
Ya viene por ahí otra vez, dale.
Double play, kid. Let's go. Double play, top tier. Wake up.
There you go, baby.
Trust your team, bitch. Trust your team.
Go better up there.
Somebody out.
Take it first turn. You go. What are you doing?
Hey, what's the 3 to 1? You can pick 3, go back 1.
All right, guys. Let's go to work. Go to work.
Go to 3, stay hot, kid, let's go.
Look back.
Here you go, guys.
All right, here we go. What?
Ain't got nobody out. Who's on the line? Hey, make sure you're breaking up too. Line in a second. Go, kid. Come on, JP.
Y abre más, güey.
Yo, Perry, let's go. Yeah! Come on, Missouri. Go, Yep. Good boy. Love it. Yeah, Bobby, vamos.
Good work.
Hey, it's your count, baby. It's your count. Here we go. I ain't got nobody. Hey, ring the ball to the dirt. It's your count, baby. Here we go. Hey, we're just playing on the ring.
Go to 3.
You got it, kid. Take your time up there, kid. Let's go.
You got green light, let's go.
Good read, baby. Good read. Yes.
I don't know much.
Where's you at?
Dale más. Abre.
Bermudez.
What?
47 Bermudez. Two backs, two backs. Can you bring me one of those or two of those baseballs? You just give me the two used ones. Don't give me the purples.
One pearl, one used.
We only got one. This way. Hey, gentlemen, I need you inside. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, gentlemen, here we go. Right.
Come on, Papas.
I got you.
Go for 7.
Have fun, Papa. Let's go.
You got it, Mijo. Throw it in there. Let's go.
Good boy.
Big ball here.
There you go, Papa. Good boy.
Big breath, you're good, man. Big breath. Hey, don't do too much, kid. Let's go.
Mijo, you got it. Throw it in there, Mijo. You got it.
Up. Yeah.
Good speed, baby. Let's go.
All right, Mijo. Put it down. Throw it in there. Yeah, there you go. Go, Santos.
Catch, I got one.
Just like that, Mijo.
Hey, have fun, yo.
Get it out.
Go, Kel.
Oh, yeah, Kel, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Do it job right here, right now. Yeah. No. Not a boy. Good. Good. Home move. And they just scale you in.
Throw it in there, Papa. You got it, Mijo.
Do damage, baby. Let's go.
Fire it in there. There you go. Just like that. Keep going.
Good swing. There you go. Keep working. Here you go. Hey, stay in front, baby. Let's go. Breathe, baby. Here we go.
There you go, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Put them on, boys.
Let's work.
Check the board. Check the board.
Now. Let's go.
Hey, make sure you announce where you're going.
Alex for Gabriel.
Let's go, Alex.
Backside action right here. Here we go. Win it. One. Go.
Good.
Hey, get the next one, kid. Let's go. Get the next one. Get up. Here we go.
Let's go, Noah. Hey, Noah. Let's go, kid. Let's go, Noah.
Noah for Max.
Here you go, Noah.
Noah.
Down. Let's go, Noah. Down.
Number 9.
Noah. Watch one out. Come on, Noah.
Come on, Noah. Come on, 1-9. Here we go, kid. Oh, Noah.
Job.
Come on, Noah. Let's go, 1-9. Here we go, kid. Work.
Go, good space right here. Let's go, kid. Good job.
I thought that's what you were thinking too. Think the same thing. Hey, top.
What's your say?
Go. Here's it. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Look out, baby. Look out, guys.
Hey, way to get hit.
Are you ready, sir? Here we go, kid. You ready? Here we go.
Go, big.
Good hit. Be smart, you're way hit. Beautiful pitch.
man, move that.
Hey, let's work, top tier.
Hey, have some fun, Papa. Have some fun. Here we go.
Go, Papas. Just fight in there, mijo. Regala, Papas.
Let's work, Santos. Let's work, kid.
Put it in play, Papa. Let's go.
Got it, dude. Hey, Papas, you got D. You shake it off. Let's go.
Let him hit it. We want him to hit it.
Smart.
My boy.
3-1 swing.
All right, way to get on base.
You got it, dude. Turn two, boys.
Here we go, Noah. Don't play, top tier. Don't play.
You get on throw, let me know. Hey, remember what I told you, Papa? Have some fun. Let's go.
Fire it in there, dude.
They got nobody. Who's on the line drive? Don't go hard on the ground. Hey, read the ball to dirt. I haven't seen it move yet.
Now, boy.
All right, just keep firing in there, dude.
Now, boy.
Here's the bell.
What you gotta do, Papa? What you gotta do? You got D. You got D. Here we go.
Turn two. Fight in there, Papas.
So, double play, top tier.
Hey, we got one. We got one.
The line. Good.
Nice, my boy. Nice.
Keep firing in there, dude.
Okay.
My boy.
Keep firing, dude.
Yeah.
Nice try, dude. Nice try.
Got one.
Boy.
All right.
Hey, talk to each other. Talk to each other.
You gotta talk, Top. You gotta talk.
All right, dude.
Got one. Got one.
Turn two, boys. Just fire it in there, Santos.
Here we go.
Go, go, go.
You get 2 runs right there. Bring him in.
It's fired in there, dude.
There you go, Papa. That's a bug, kid.
Have his back defense.
Got a pump like it's fired in there.
Oh, he won.
Swing here.
Do it again, Bubba.
Come on, Tom. Giving him this game.
Way to play it off. Way to play it off.
Let's spoil. Let's spoil.
He fired in there, dude.
Come on, Tom.
Yeah. Keep fighting, 2-8.
Yeah! Good boy.
Get some bread, boys.
Catcher's like, I don't want to go back to. He's like, I don't want to go back to the dugout. What do we got? 16? Oh, 6-3. Finally to the top of the class. It's all good, dude. I've always told him, I mean, I know it's a perfect game, but I've always told him, like, we should always have a time limit just so there's no new, but we will play till we have a winner.
Is it third innings after 7?
No, the only way there is if it's a tie game. Then you go to the tiebreaker rule. Yeah, that's the only way. So that's the only way you play additional in a championship.
I don't know if you want to move forward.
Let's go, baby. You got this.
Yeah, right. But you can even see it from here.
Go, Aiden. Go, baby. You got this.
Let's go, Aiden. I'll go. That's it. Come on. Wait, make contact, kid. Come on. Make contact, kid.
40.
Go, Jake. Give me a hard hit ball here, kid.
Come on, Burrow. Here we go, kid.
It's big.
Now, Jake.
Here we go now. Go, Bobby. Somebody.
You got it, dude.
Good start, kid.
Good pitch.
All right, you ready, kid? Here we go.
On it. Hey, get in it, kid.
Hey, let's pop back into it, top here. Let's go.
Work, Gabe. Work, Jackson.
Oh, are you serious? Oh my lord. I don't see your favor.
Two more, batter, two more. Hey, ball there, good on, two. Come down.
I'm like, okay, you became his manager.
Nice, Gabe.
Vamos, César. Yeah, that's good, Frank. Watch you one nice and easy, baby. Please, relax.
Go tonight, be a lead off.
Oh, yeah, she's very tech savvy.
top tier, don't play.
Hello, boy, Papa. It's all right. Turn 2, boy. Turn 2. Here we go.
Oh, come on, come on.
Let's go, Todd.
Hey, nice and easy. Down on the ball, baby. Down on the ball, baby. Down 2, baby. Here we go.
Hello, boy, Papa.
Hey, way to be aggressive. Let's go out that way, vamos.
Hello, boy, Papa. Hello, boy.
Here we go, boys. Work up there, Santos. Let's go, kid. Wake up, Todd. Wake up, Todd. Come on. As a team, let's go. Wake up.
Nobody better than you, 4-7. Hey, relax, baby. Here you go. Okay. Good job, Gabe. I like your work up there. Defense, baby, defense. Simple. I love it. Keep fighting, baby.
Come on, Papa. Here we go. One more. Here we go.
Go, talk to her.
Have some fun. Have some fun. Here we go.
Let's go, Todd.
You got it, dude.
Good challenge. Good job. Good challenge. Let's work for it, Sandra. Let's go, kids. I'm not down. Come now, baby. I'm now. Have this back defense.
So they gave me back. I got credit, yeah. I guess that's the worst thing, but the late flights, nobody wants.
Oh! Yeah! Get good!
Take the watch, baby. Take the watch. Take the watch. New life, John. Let's go. Get on top of it. Get right there.
It's all right. First base, all right.
Drop it. On me. Watch it. Watch. Next play. Let's go.
Here we go, Papa. Come on, kid. Here we go.
Go back to work. Good job. Boys.
Hey, it's all right. Check it out.
Check it out. Let's go. Top tier.
Hey, we got two.
Let's go.
One more. Let's go, top tier.
Hold him.
Hey, with 2 outs on the ground, we're going cross. We got two.
Let's work, top tier.
I'm not Jack.
Fire in there, dude.
Right here, hit the fastball.
Nobody.
Oh.
You're up.
No, we didn't hit him.
I thought it hit the rubber.
Not a visit. Just checking on them.
Hey, have some fun, Bubba. Let's go. It's all right. Here we go. It's all right. We got two.
All right, dude.
Let's go, top. Let's go, top. Wake up. Don't give him this game.
I'm not kill. Good. Hey, you're good, baby. Sit. Here we go.
Let's go, Kel.
I'm not kill. Come on, kid. Here we go, baby. Love it.
You got it, dude. Just fire it in there.
Trust your team. Trust your team.
Hey, we got two. Be ready.
Let's go, top.
Let's work, Santo.
Alive.
No one better, kid.
You got this, Bubba. Here we go, kid. I'm not kill. Yeah.
Oh.
I couldn't see because
Hey, you do your job, Bubba. You do your job. Here we go.
you're all right, dude.
All right, check it out, Bubba. Here we go. You do your thing. Here we go. That boy, that's it.
Have fun, Jake. Have fun.
Keep working back there, Dave. Let's go, Santos.
I'm not Jake. I'm not Jake. How to play.
Head.
Way to hustle, Gabe.
You guys have a foul ball over there at all?
She walked right into it.
Strike, gentlemen. There we go. We got two. One more, Bubba. Here we go, kid. there, kid. You keep forward there. Here we go.
Got it, dude. Contact here. Gotta get some red.
Come on, boy. Let's get the fast going. Let's go.
Let's go.
I got one.
Let's go. We got to keep the fight. Out of best on the play.
8-3.
He's gonna sleep off.
I didn't say that.
No, first base.
One name?
That's a good question. Pete's going in for Jet. That just no first name. Yeah, Pete for Jet. That's no first name.
No first name.
No, but I told him you're going to get someone. They will.
All right, 2 9. Let's go, kid. Here we go. Let's start it. Here we go. Come on, here we go.
Contact here. Get it rolling.
Come on, 2 9.
Hey, get aggressive back there, huh? Let's go, kiddo.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Here we go.
I'll get ball here.
Hey, let's work, Dave.
One battle. You got 2 now.
Good idea.
Come on, come on!
Got back, kid.
Contact here.
Come on, 2 3.
Let's go. Gotta rip it. Water go home. Let's go. Now, come on.
Hey, good miss.
Come on, 2 3. Here we go, kid. Hey, gotta be, kid. Gotta be. Here we go. Come on, 2 3.
Hey.
Good.
All right, good at that.
Here we go.
Let's go.
ball here.
20, make something happen.
Get out.
Water go home.
Come on, throw it in. Here we go, kid.
Come to pitch right now.
Hey, battle pit, here we go. Get out, get out.
Yo, you're right. Jasper. Good. Not about being on time to see the baseball.
20, lock in. Come on, let's get in this game. Come on, lock in, let's go. Let's go, we gotta score. It's starting. Come on.
Let's go!
Get out, get out.
Big.
AJ for Ryder.
Doesn't work, AJ.
Come on, 1-6. Here we go, kid. Get out, get out.
Now, let's go, kid. Come on now, come on.
Everything gets the ball.
See?
And nobody out.
Yeah, but hey, you saying it like that.
3 outs later, he's still sitting there.
Hey, you always welcome. Always welcome.
There's one place you got an iPhone.
Jackie's talking about the unique circumstances that always come back to haunt us.
That's the fun. Here we go.
Go, Santos, just fire in there, dude.
Remember what I told you? Here we go.
Go, kid.
Fire it in there, Papa.
Let's go, big 4-7.
Come on, Papa, you got this, kid.
Let's work, kid.
Fire it in there, Papa. All right, turn 2, boys.
Good boy.
These are permanent.
I said it.
Fire it in there, dude.
Hey, Papa, let's go. Here you go, Mio. You got this. You got Santos.
Relax. Trust your team. Don't play top tier.
There you go.
One more, let's go.
By the way, put ball to play somewhere.
We got none. It's rolling in.
Come now, baby. Come now, baby. Yeah.
Come on, dude, just fire it in there, Papa.
Here you go, Papa. You got this, kid. Here we go.
I got this off. Deep breath.
Well, bring that heat. That heat.
Fire it in there.
You got it? Don't give him the game.
Here you go, Papa. Come on, kid. Here we go. You got this. Here we go. Make him earn it. Make him earn it. Here we go.
Both of those baseballs, throw to the catcher. I'll take them. Thank you. Hey guys, where are we at on PT? Everybody out. Let's go.
That sums it up.
Papa, let's go, Milo. Yo, got this.
Start in there.
Got it, Milo. Boy.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Good luck, Top.
There you go, Papa. You got this, Milo. Here you go.
Come on now, Phil.
Now, boy, let's go. Ah, boy!
Good job back there. Good work. Good work.
There you go, Papa.
Start in there, dude.
Good job. Hey, right here.
He did great. Yeah. There you go.
Let's go, Top. Wake up. Look alive.
Yeah, shoot three! Shoot three! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
There you go.
Hey, shoot forward! Go! Right in! Forward!
Guys are giving this game away. Here we go. We got one.
have one. Yep. Out. One.
Well, not oh, I thought you were asking for count.
Here we go, boy. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, roll.
Hey, Papa, throw it in there. Let's go, mijo.
Let's go, boys.
Get you another one.
That's what this shit's supposed to be like. Get it! Yeah! Way to work, boy!
Hey, we got two. We got two.
Max effort. Max effort. Stay in the fight, not a baseball.
Walk out.
Hey, let's go, top tier. Let's work.
What is it on?
Let's go, top tier.
Hard in there, dude.
There you go, Papa. You got the kid.
Let's go, top tier. Wake up!
Yeah, boy. Let's go. One more.
Come on, boys. Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, we got two.
Hey, here you go, Papa. We got two. Here you go.
We got two. We got two. Okay, top of you good.
Oh, look at that. Here you go.
Here we go.
That was a nice pitch, Papa. Let's go, kid. No, no.
Right in there.
Keep working, Jackson.
Make a full swing on top. Top.
Here we go.
Hey, let's go, Sato. Let's work, kid.
Here you go, Papa.
Have his back defense.
Stepping over the line.
Oh my gosh!
Heads up!
Santos.
Hey, shake it up, Papa. Shake it up. Let's go.
We got two. We got two. Go ahead, coach. You got it. You got it. Somebody on the gear, please. Somebody on the gear. Hey, somebody on the gear.
might have to check again. Pretty good about it.
Good job, Papa!
Hey, good job, Papa. This one?
Tavares.
Javaris.
Tavares. Three more if you need them. Two more. Nice work, David. One more if you want it.
The diamond has to stop. Cut.
All right, gentlemen, here we go.
It's not updating.
Hey, we got back it back. Hey, Zach, come on, go.
Hey, here we go. We got two. Go.
Good summer, y'all. Good summer, y'all. It's gonna be good in the summer. Enjoy your high school season. I'll see y'all in the summer, right? Woo! Woo! I don't know where he's standing right now. He's way in. Let's go to work.
Hey, no.
Go ahead, right here, buddy. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Last offense.
You want to go home or you want to battle? Let's go.
Tom!
Let's go, top.
Let's go.
Battle, kid. Let's battle, kid.
Hey,
It's all right, it's all right.
Come on, Cleo, let's go, kid. Don't give up. Here we go.
Go, Dick, get going, go! Hey, he always ready.
Go, Alex.
Yeah, that's right.
Come on, Alan. Good eye, good eye. That boy.
Good working, kid.
Way to make contact, Alex.
Straight it out, straight it out.
Ball, 2 strike.
Let's go, let's fight. Oh.
What?
That boy, good eye. Read it. Come on, 2 on, let's go, Alex.
Driving.
Let's go, line it up. Good job, gentlemen. Hey, let's go, line it up, let's go. Let's go.
We lost.
Let's go. Good luck, guys. Lance, thank you. Yeah, let's go.
Good game, boys. Good game.
Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't think about it.
Hey, see y'all. Thank you for everything. Great weekend, guys. Great weekend. Great turnout. All out of the high school.